welcome back to my channel. Today, I found this mysterious bag. It's so weird because never anybody sent me anything. Well, I'm going to show you the details. So it basically has this golden thingy, and it's really detaily. Has pink here and golden hearts, small and pink and colored. Okay, so I'm so excited, and let's go on. Let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna be opening it. So cool. I'm gonna see the card first. I don't know. This is a weird thing. Card. It says happy birthday. But my birthday was like last year. It says happy birthday, Lily. Here. Okay. I don't know who see this. So first thing is down. It has like this Ariel birthday, has tape, and it says hey, happy birthday. Just this, like no any hearts in. Okay, let's go on to the next thing. Okay. It's a really pink lighted colored heart, and I have no idea who sent me this, and it's so pretty actually. So things down. Okay. This one. What is this? It's the same color as the heart. Wait, is this an airplane? It's an airplane. It's a really weird airplane. Oh yeah, it's an airplane. Look at this. It's not really an airplane. No, it's an airplane. Whoa, I've got this thing against Miriam. It says here Miriam to Lily. I have no idea because I have a bunch of Miriams in the school and they're all my friends. Okay, so, oh, I love this toy. Look at this organic thingy. So you put your fingers in this two things, and it has here pink, golden, and blue, and silver. So you just do, you pick a color. So I pick blue, BLUE, and then you pick a number. I pick 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then you pick another number, which is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last number, and it's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And last number is 8. So I'm gonna open the 8 here. Let's see, what did I get? I got a girl, because I'm a girl. I got a girl, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna show everything. So thin, donkey, lovely, fat, girl, doctor, boy, and elephant. Okay, so I feel like the surprises are so weird. Oh, it feels... What is this? It says here Lulu. It's so funny. It's like two weird eyes, and it's actually so cute. Yeah, and I've got another airplane that should I design myself. Say something? Nope. Let's see if this one flies. Well, yeah, not really. And last two, and oh, she sent me this bead. Look at this bead. Okay, let's see. Look at this, like, I'm gonna tie it in my hair. So funny. Okay, purple, pinkish, pearly bead. And last two things, it's hearts, decorated myself. Oh, and this one, oh yes, I remember the girl. Her name is Mariam Tamer, and she's my best friend. I don't know. Yeah, it was my birthday. She got me a lot of presents. Because I won on something. We were like throwing the markers in the class, and the teacher's not really saying. So I won the points, 10 points, and she has like, I don't remember. Anyway, so I won. She got me this birthday, and thank you, Mariam. I love it so much, like a superhero. Okay, so hope you like, subscribe, like, share, and hit the ding dong bell, and don't forget to see this video right here. Bye.